Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the Wound Up channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my first impressions of my second Seiko in my personal collection. I just received this watch yesterday, and I resized the bracelet and gathered my first impressions. So obviously this video is going to be an unboxing and first impressions of this Turtle Gray Dawn or Dawn Gray. I'm not really sure. I've heard a lot of people call it the Dawn Gray, and also a lot of people are calling it the Gray Dawn, so I'm not 100% sure. The reference number, however, is the SRPD01K1. It's a limited edition, limited to 2018 pieces, and its retail price is 530 euros, although these are shooting up in value a lot because they seem to be very sought after, and I can definitely understand why, because this color scheme is unique and yet very, very good looking. So without any further ado, let's get into the box. As you can see here, this is not your usual Seiko box. This is indeed a limited edition Seiko box with the black and the orange color scheme, which is very fitting of this watch. Looks fantastic. Open it up, and we have the instructions booklet for all of these calibers. We have the European guarantee and instructions, of which I have placed in a zip bag. There you go. We have a piece of foam, and then there you go. Here is the watch. So now let's put on another lens and get closer to this watch. And here she is. So as you can see here on the side, you do also get a strap accessory in the box. This is a silicone strap, I believe. It is very soft and comfortable and very fitting of this watch's overall design. So the watch, wow, just look at this color combination, and that bezel is just exquisite. So let's run down some of this watch's specifications. The watch is 45 millimeters in diameter, although the diameter of the actual bezel itself is of course quite a bit smaller. So while this is a large watch at 45 millimeters, I have to say it definitely does not wear like a 45 millimeter watch. It's about 13.5 millimeters thick. We have a stainless steel case. We have a unidirectional diving bezel with 120 clicks. We have a hard Lex crystal here up front, so no sapphire. We have a stainless steel screw-on case back, 200 meters of water resistance, and the movement that's powering this watch is the Seiko Caliber 4R36, which of course is an in-house movement. It's automatic winding. It beats at 21,600 vibrations per hour, which gives you a 3 Hz frequency. It has a power reserve of 41 hours. And in terms of features, it shows you the hours, minutes, seconds, and the day and date. And again, this watch is limited to 2018 pieces. In terms of the dial here, in the spec sheet it says that it's a sunburst gray dial. If that's the case, it's definitely a very light gray color, because to me it definitely looks like silver. We have luminous hands and markers. These are filled with Seiko's proprietary LumiBright, which I did test last night, and it is incredibly potent. It is basically a flashlight. The bezel insert is aluminum, so no ceramic here. We have the usual turtle bracelet, nothing too special here, although it is a very solid bracelet. We have solid end links, and yeah, overall this bracelet is good for the retail price. But if you're paying a lot more, which I'm guessing you will be if you're purchasing this watch today, you might be paying all the way up to almost 1,000 euros. Don't expect this to be a 1,000 euro watch, because it's not. It's a 500 euro watch. You do have to keep that in mind when purchasing these Seiko limited editions, because otherwise that might rattle you when you first unbox the watch. For me, that's not a problem though, because I really do like the turtle design, and when this colorway came out, I knew I just had to have it. Overall, it feels very well built. The crown action is incredibly smooth, and the bezel is too. I'll give you the sound of it. and the bezel seems to line up very well, as does the chapter ring. Now let's put this watch on my wrist and I'll show you how it wears. Alright, so there you guys go. Here is the Dawn Gray or Grey Dawn turtle on my 19.5 centimeter in circumference wrist. I think it wears very comfortably and looks fantastic. I just love this dial. It is amazing. Oh, and also this orange seconds hand, a fantastic detail right there. So what do you guys think about this Seiko? Please do feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe if you don't want to miss the review of this watch. And comment down below if you have any questions. And I'll see you in my future videos. Bye bye.